Alright, this is an installation video for Invisible Shield HD glass for the Apple iPhone 6 and 6S. And we're going to be installing it on the new Apple iPhone 6S. First, let's see what comes in the box. The inside packaging. And we get the installation guide, microfiber cloth, and a screen wipe. And here's the actual glass cover. Now, I'm going to be installing it on my new phone. I haven't even taken the plastic wrap off, so first I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to check it to make sure it doesn't have any smudges or other debris on the screen. And I do see a small smudge. So I'm going to take the microfiber cloth real quick and wipe that off. Okay, now it looks absolutely perfect. Ready to install. The way you install the glass screen protector is first you remove the back layer, which covers the adhesive. So I'm going to carefully remove this. And under that is the actual adhesive back of the glass screen cover. Then you use these tabs on either end, the yellow tabs, to properly align it on your screen. These are much easier to install than the old plastic-based covers. Once you have them set on the phone, they virtually seal themselves. There's no fighting bubbles or anything like there was on some of the old screen protectors. Okay, and I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it pretty much seals itself completely. Now we just take the top cover off, and our screen protector is installed. Thanks for watching. Keep a watch out for more videos.